Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got warm temperatures once again today, and we're going to see those high temperatures reach about 10 to 15 degrees above what we normally see this time of year, as we'll see those temperatures in the mid 80s once again. Yesterday across the region we had multiple locations in the mid 80s. 87 degrees, the warmest of the reporting stations at Pax River, 83 degrees here at Wallops, 86 in Norfolk, and 84 at Newport News and at Langley Air Force Base. Overnight last night, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. We saw as cool as 65 in Richmond and Baltimore. 72 degrees here at Wallops. We were the warmest of the reporting stations in our region. Over the last 24 hours, no measurable precipitation, and we see sunny skies throughout the region this morning. 77 degrees here at Wallops. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, showing those winds generally out of a northwesterly direction as we go from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see 17 knots at 1,000 feet and increasing up to the 25,000 foot level, where we see a northwesterly wind at 36 knots. Freezing level this morning at 12,700 feet. Current surface analysis showing that surface high pressure along the southeastern United States, that's going to bring us some warm southwesterly flow as we go through the day today, again producing temperatures that will be about 10 to 15 degrees above what we normally see this time of year, which is a daytime high right around 78 degrees here at Wallops. You can see that frontal boundary off to our north, and as we go through the next couple of days, that is going to draw a little closer to the Wallops region, and we'll actually move through the area Thursday evening, bringing in some cooler weather for Friday, but will still be right about normal for this time of year. Looking at our satellite radar composite, no precipitation showing up this morning, any kind of radar echoes, and we're not expecting any precipitation throughout the day today. Just a little bit of mid-level cloudiness out there right now at the 10,000 foot level, and we'll continue to see mostly sunny skies throughout most of the day today as high pressure controls our weather. So as we go through the midday period today, you can see really nothing to be concerned with on the maps for any kind of hazardous weather. Going through the Wednesday evening time period, you can see that frontal boundary that is to our north begins to wash out, and then that system to our north and west will draw closer as we go through the day on Thursday, and then Thursday evening drawing pretty close to the Wallops region. At that point, you can see some light precipitation beginning to break out across the northern sections of the Delmarva Peninsula by late Thursday evening, and we could see a few sprinkles here after midnight Thursday night as we go into the day on Friday, as that front drops south of our region. During the day on Friday, we'll see a northeasterly wind component, some cooler temperatures, and also some cloudy conditions with just a slight chance of some precipitation in the form of a few sprinkles late Thursday night into early Friday morning. So looking at the next 24 hours in a little bit more detail, you can see really no hazards to be concerned with, green across the board as far as any kind of hazardous weather. Not expecting that to be a concern for us. We could see a little bit of patchy fog overnight tonight, not looking like a chance for any kind of dense fog settling into the region, but could see a few patches of fog by early tomorrow morning. We'll see temperatures climb to around 86 degrees today, and then down into the upper 60s by early Thursday morning, where we'll see an overnight low of around 67 degrees. VFR conditions expected to continue through the next 24 hours, and then as we head into Thursday, we'll see partly cloudy and unseasonably warm temperatures with a high of 86 degrees. Thursday night, we'll see that slight chance of a few sprinkles after midnight, as we'll see those clouds increasing as that front drops south of our region. A low of 68 degrees expected Thursday evening, and then Friday we'll see only a high of 74, which is pretty close to our average for this time of year. But we will see much cooler conditions Friday than what we'll see today and Thursday, with those temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees cooler for our daytime high. Looking ahead to the next 7 days, you can see really pretty dry weather in store for us. Again, that slight chance of some sprinkles Thursday night and Friday morning, not looking for anything significant out of that. And then we'll see more cloudiness Friday and Saturday as that front drops south of our region and we get more of an onshore flow, providing some more lower level moisture than what we'll see in the next couple of days. We'll also see those temperatures begin to increase as we go through the weekend, as that frontal boundary dissipates over the Carolinas, we'll see high pressure reestablish itself across the southeastern United States, and we'll see those warm temperatures once again climbing to around 80 degrees by the end of the weekend, and then settling out to around 80 degrees for high temperatures for the beginning of the work week for Monday and Tuesday, with those low temperatures in the upper 60s. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at both 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.